Do you think sleeping less means success? Do you think studying all night will help you win? This story is based on a real university entrance exam in Vietnam. It happened at CT1 High School. 3 students, 1 big exam, 1 important lesson. At CT1 High School, the final exam was coming. It was very important. It could change their future. Teachers often said, "Study a little every day. Don't wait until the last minute." But not everyone listened. Khoa studied every day. Not too much, not too little. He slept before 11 p.m. He reviewed old lessons on weekends. He did not try to be perfect. He tried to be steady. Dong studied only when he felt motivated. Some days he worked hard. Some days he played games. He believed he was smart enough. Hung studied very hard. He stayed up late every night. He drank coffee. He slept only 3 or 4 hours. He believed more pain meant more success. But he was always tired. And slowly, he felt stressed. The exam day was getting closer. Everyone felt pressure. 3 students, 3 different ways of preparing. Soon the exam would show the result. And the real lesson was not only about knowledge, it was about balance. The exam day finally came. It was held at CT1 High School, the same classrooms, the same desks, but the feeling was different. Everything felt quiet, serious, heavy. Khoa woke up early. He felt calm. He ate breakfast with his family. He checked his bag carefully. ID card, exam paper notice, pens, calculator. Everything was ready. He walked to school slowly. His mind was clear. Dong woke up feeling nervous. He looked at his notes one more time. He was not fully ready, but he hoped for the best. He walked to school in silence. Hung woke up very tired. He had studied until 3 a.m. His eyes were red. His head hurt. He did not eat breakfast. He rushed to school. Even though it was CT1, a place he knew well, he felt strange and stressed. Inside the classroom, no one talked. The teacher gave out the exam papers. The clock started. Tick, tick, tick. Khoa read each question slowly. He understood most of them. He felt focused. He wrote carefully. Dong felt confused with some questions. He tried to stay calm. He did his best. Hung looked at the paper. He knew many answers. He had studied them before, but his mind felt slow. He could not think clearly. He was too tired. Three hours later, the exam ended. Students walked out quietly. Some looked happy, some looked worried. Outside the school gate, parents were waiting. The results would come later. But inside their hearts, each student already felt something. Hard work is important, but balance is important too. Two weeks later, the results came out. Students at CT1 High School were very nervous. Some checked the website many times. Some were afraid to look. Kwa checked his score. He passed. He got enough points for his dream university. He did not shout. He just smiled. He felt proud and thankful. Dong checked his result. He was close, very close, but not enough. He felt sad, not because he failed, but because he knew he did not try his best. Hung checked his score last. He believed he worked the hardest. He believed he gave everything. But his score was lower than he expected. He did not fail badly, but he did not reach his goal. He felt quiet, very quiet. He understood something important. A few days later, their teacher spoke to the class. She said, "Working hard is good, but working smart is better. Sleeping 3 hours every night is not strength. Studying a little every day is real discipline." The classroom was silent. Everyone was thinking. This exam was not only about knowledge. It was about habits, about balance, about taking care of your body and your mind. 3 students, 3 different choices, 1 simple lesson. Success does not belong to the person who suffers the most. It belongs to the person who prepares in a smart and steady way. Before you choose your path, remember this story. Consistency is quiet. Balance is powerful. And real success is built step by step. If this story made you think, if it helped you see studying in a different way, subscribe to this channel for more simple English stories that help you grow a little every day. Thank you for listening. See you in the next story.